Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today is an exciting video because we finally finished this project. It seems simple, it seems small, it seems like, oh yeah, you could have done that, that's such a good idea, but it took forever for us to come with an idea what will look kind of clean, it will look nice, and it will work for us. And I think it would give it that curve appeal that we wanted in the roundabout, and we finally did it. So now that we finally did it, we could share with you guys this video how we got there, and that's exactly what this video is about. So thank you guys for tuning in, for watching, and for selecting this video. If you want to see more of our content, more of our video, our channel is about glamming up and improving our garden area. I really like to glam the inside, but now it's time to glam up the outside, make it much better. You guys are gonna see from the beginning. I'm gonna take you from the beginning how it looked, how we had to clean it up, and how we are trying to make it better. I am not a pro, I am a total beginner, but I'm gonna take you along for that. So guys, if you want to see all that, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. So this video, we're going to be improving and glamming up and improving the stump area. Sadly, we had to get rid of this tree. We had arborists come. We had 3 different quotes, and they all 3 let us know that we had to get rid of it. It was a liability. It was very close to the house, and we had to get rid of it soon before the raining season, before the hurricane season. And guys, we had 2 hurricanes pass Florida, very close to where we live at, kind of close to where we live at. We did feel the bands, we feel the wind, we felt the rain, and luckily we got rid of it on time. We did listen. Sadly, we had to get rid of a tree. It was giving us so much shade, it was so pretty, but it was a liability. But now we had a new thing that we had to work on. We kept the stump, but we had to glam it up. There was so many weeds growing around it. We cleaned it up, but in the meantime, I wanted to share the makeover of around the stump, and I want to bring you along. So I hope you guys appreciate this video. You like it, let me know. If you have any other ideas to share for others to see, or for maybe I could take in the future, leave it in the comment section. I would truly appreciate that. Let's go ahead guys and get started with the video. you saw in this video on this project, there was some unexpected things happening, and those were very thick roots that we found all around the stump. That was a challenge, but we finally got them out. But sadly, we couldn't add one more boxwood because the root was so big. But we just left it like that, and we just added some gladiolas, and we love how the greenery is coming around. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and until the next one, bye.